Nail changes can happen at any age, not just to the elderly. Today I'm going to show you how to begin the journey to restore toenails with changes in color and shape, and explain how a toenail can appear to be thick, but the nail plate hasn't undergone any thickening. So stay tuned.
You know, I get a lot of comments and opinions about, oh, that person needed to see a podiatrist, and they never ask if the person, we'll see how much of this toenail is lifted, which seems to be quite a lot.
Yeah, I have been wanting to cut it, but I haven't.
So sometimes after it's been there for a long time, it literally just disintegrates your toenail.
Yeah.
It's like the keratin isn't hard anymore. And that's how yours are. So it might feel a little strange when I'm cleaning this off the surface of your nail bed, because this material is actually in between the back of the toenail and the surface of your actual. So this is going to get soggy as it soaks in the water. So we'll pull some off, and then it'll go back in the water. We'll get it soggy again, and then pull off the rest. And the reason why the nails change shape is because this material gets stuck underneath the toenail, and it pushes and makes it ebb and flow in different directions. Because you see this is higher right here than it is over here, so it pulls in this side of the nail wall. Yeah, it's tricky, especially when you can't see from this vantage point, like the lifting off of the nail bed or how far or any of that. Are his nails like this too?
No. He has beautiful toenails.
This might feel creepy, so I'll try to be gentle. That's why you want them to soak a good long time, to get this material as soft as you can get it.
Kind of like makes my stomach feel like I'm going on those tall hoops.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, because some of your nail is still connected to the nail bed,
Which,
but it's made these tunnels.
when I was in high school, so maybe in 2010, I did have the insides of my toenails removed for ingrown toenails.
Okay.
And that's where I noticed that I have most of my problem is in that and on my inside of the toenail, that side.
Well, so when this fungus starts pushing upward, it pulls the sides of your toenails in.
Oh.
So once this stuff gets out from underneath there, they will go back to where they're supposed to be. Just like raising a tent.
Yeah.
You know, when you put a pole and you pull it up, the sides come in.
Okay.
So that's why that's doing that. But you can see the discoloration of that dark spot goes all the way back to there. So we know that the toenail isn't connected to the nail bed, and I can see the thickness of the nail. It's just like that's the thickness of the actual nail. So now I know that I can trim this right off the surface. Any of these areas feel too creepy?
Not really.
Not bad. Does this hurt?
No.
Looks cute already.
Looks way better. That felt good.
That's good.
Yes.
Get that pressure out of there.
It was like a scratch that I didn't know I had.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yes. Makes perfect sense. Did you see it move?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that it freaked me out. It
Yeah.
doesn't hurt, it just freaked me out.
Yep. It's loosened. That's why you gotta keep soaking.
Yes.
And it'll feel pretty vulnerable underneath there.
Yeah, it gives me the heebie-jeebies.
We'll be real careful.
It takes a full year for toenails to grow back, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever made someone bleed by accident?
Not doing this.
Okay.
Some people have,
Yeah.
because some of it's still underneath some nail.
Okay. But at least it's like a 1/4 inch thinner.
Mm-hmm.